Okay. Hello, my Fernanda. Just how enjoy your vacation? How many days were you on vacation?
Mm, these holidays, I did a little bit of everything. For my birthday, I went to the beach with my friends. This one and had dinner at the house. I also traveled to my mom's for my uncle's wedding anniversary. It was a very hectic summer full of activities from going to the beach to hanging out with my friends. Dulce Maria Paredes, how
Yes.
did you enjoy your vacation?
Oh, sure. That's a beautiful vacation. I did really go on vacation this summer. Wherever the most memorable vacation was when I went to Dolchak Beach with my friends. I love the sea, the sun and the breeze. I love it raining. I want to go on vacation with my friends and experience with new things in a totally different place for me. I think my favorite place moment of vacation was when we immersed ourselves in the pool for hours and player racing on the went to have lunch and we set food restaurant. It's so beautiful. Thank you very much for telling me about your beautiful vacation, my friend. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dulce.
Goodbye.